Can a heavy steering wheel lock stop a high-tech thief from using a relay attack to take your car? Yes, it can, because a physical steel bar creates a mechanical wall that digital hacking tools simply cannot touch. These thieves use electronic signal amplifiers to grab the low-frequency signal from your smart key fob while it sits safely inside your house. They beam that signal to your car in the driveway, which unlocks the doors and shuts off the factory's security system without making a single sound. Since the car thinks you are standing right there with the key, the computer brain is fooled and leaves the vehicle completely defenseless. This is where a bright yellow or red steel bar like a club or a Disklok changes the entire situation for you. While a thief with a power tool could eventually cut through the lock or the steering wheel rim itself, their entire plan depends on being fast and staying quiet. Most of these relay crimes are designed to take less than 30 seconds from start to finish. Seeing a heavy-duty metal bar locked across the wheel destroys that timeline and makes your car a bad target. Most thieves will simply walk away to find a car that does not have a physical lock attached, because they do not want the noise of a saw. To make this work, you must put the lock on every single time you park, even for short errands or quick stops at the store. If you leave it in the trunk just one time, you are giving them the small window they need to drive away. You should also park your car nose in, as tight as possible against a wall or a garage door, to make it harder for anyone to get inside the cabin. If you have a second car, park it directly behind the high-risk vehicle to physically block the driver's side door from opening. These simple steps create layers of mechanical security that a computer code cannot bypass. If you ignore these physical tools, your car can be gone in under 60 seconds without you ever hearing a sound. Always lock the wheel to keep your car where you parked it. Check your steering wheel lock every morning to make sure it is tight. If your car uses a push-button start, start using a physical lock today.